Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Guitar Cleaner Kit is probably one of the most overlooked investments for any guitarist, but it's crucial for keeping your instrument in top condition. From removing fingerprints and grime to protecting the finish, a good kit can significantly extend the life and enhance the playability of your guitar. In this video, we'll explore some top-rated kits and help you find the perfect one to keep your guitar looking and sounding its best. Number 5. MusicNomad MN103 Guitar 1 Cleaner, Polish, Wax. Introducing MusicNomad Guitar 1, the all-in-one solution for your guitar. This single-step formula cleans, polishes, and protects your instrument, making maintenance easy. Designed for gloss finishes, it provides a mirror-like shine without streaks. The formula leaves the finish smooth and fast, perfect for the neck of your guitar. The white Brazilian Carnauba wax shields the instrument from dirt and UV damage. It also protects against sweat and moisture, ensuring a long-lasting shine. Plus, it smells great. You don't have to worry about damaging your finish with harsh chemicals. This product is safe for all lacquer finishes, including nitrocellulose. It's trusted by professionals worldwide. Formulated and made in California, ensuring quality in every bottle. It's the choice of top touring techs and respected repair shops in many countries. Experience why MusicNomad is trusted by the best. What we like. This cleaner offers a one-step solution, simplifying your guitar maintenance routine. It's perfect if you're looking for a quick and easy way to clean, polish, and protect your instrument. If you like a mirror-like shine and lasting protection, you should consider this. What people say. It does an excellent job of cleaning. It really brought the life back into the wood, and I'm quite happy with that. Works great. Easy to apply and remove. Leaves a brand new shine. Number 4. Dunlop System 65 Guitar Maintenance Kit. This kit has everything you need to maintain your guitar. It includes all the essential cleaners to keep it in top condition. The kit contains 5 different cleaners. They are designed for your guitar's body, neck, and strings, ensuring every part is well cared for. Also included is a micro-fine fret polishing cloth. This helps to keep the frets smooth and clean, improving playability. You'll also find 2 100% cotton cloths and care instructions. These cloths are perfect for polishing and wiping down your guitar. The instructions will guide you through the process. These products help to shield your guitar against corrosion. Using them regularly will help protect your instrument from damage. By using this kit, you can extend the playing life of your guitar. Proper maintenance is key to keeping it in great shape for years to come. What we like. This kit provides everything you need for comprehensive guitar care. It's ideal if you need a complete set of tools for maintaining your guitar's body, neck, and strings. If you are looking for a convenient and all-inclusive solution, you should consider this. What people say. Complete kit for cleaning and care of multiple guitars, best I've used. Gives new life to my 25-year-old Ibanez guitar. The product cleans off the gunk. Makes it shine. And keeps it in working order. I like the polish really well. It doesn't overdo the shine but rather gives it a natural buff that brings out the color. Number 3. FOLLOWIN Guitar Care System 7-Pack. This all-in-one kit has everything you need. It includes cleaner, polish, and wax for daily care of your guitar's gloss finish. This makes guitar care quick and easy. This fingerboard oil is made with a special mix of fine, refined tree and seed oils. It cleans, conditions, and protects your fingerboard. It's free of waxes, petroleum, silicone, and water. This guitar cleaner uses a streak-free formula and has a low smell. It removes fingerprints, dust, and spots. It's great for giving your guitar a complete cleaning. This natural protectant and sealer gives a long-lasting shine and UV protection. It helps prevent sun damage and fills in small flaws. It restores shine and depth, perfect for all clear-coated instruments. This 2-in-1 pen keeps guitar strings clean and removes rust. It also provides a protective coating. This creates a shield against dust and moisture. What we like. This kit is designed to keep your guitar looking and sounding its best with a variety of specialized products. If you want a comprehensive solution for cleaning and maintaining all parts of your guitar, including the fingerboard and strings, you should consider this. What people say. This is an amazing product for beginners who have no idea where to start with cleaning their instrument. It provides well-labeled items with clear instructions on how to use them. Great kit with all I needed while away from home. Found strings in town and knew I wanted to clean and polish both my vacation guitars, and this was the perfect kit. Very nice results with very little effort, great products. Cleaner oil and wax with a sham, perfect. Number 2. Jim Dunlop 6503 Body and Fingerboard Cleaning Kit. This kit is designed to keep your guitar in top condition. It includes everything you need to clean and protect your instrument. It's a must-have for any guitarist. The Formula 65 polish will make your guitar shine. It removes grime and restores the finish. Use it to keep the body looking its best. This lemon oil is perfect for your fretboard. It conditions the wood and prevents drying and cracking. It helps keep the fretboard smooth and playable. The kit comes with 2 polish cloths. One is for the body polish and the other is for the lemon oil. They are soft and won't scratch your guitar. Each bottle contains 4 fluid ounces of product. This is enough to keep your guitar clean and protected for a long time. It's a great value for the price. What we like. This kit focuses on essential care for your guitar's body and fingerboard. If you have a need for specific products to clean and condition these areas, you should consider this. What people say. Works great and easy to apply. These polish up my guitar's bodies and fretboards beautifully. The body cleaner works great. I have a Yamaha A3R in tobacco burst that shows the forearm prints every time I use the guitar. It doesn't take very many uses before funk starts to build up on those areas and look really nasty. As bad as it's gotten, I haven't needed to spend more than 2 minutes cleaning with Dunlop body cleaner to make the guitar look flawlessly reflective and reborn. Number 1. Dunlop 654 Formula 65 Guitar Polish and Cleaner. This is the Dunlop 654 Formula 65. It cleans your guitar quickly and effectively. It will bring the finish back to its original shine. The cleaner works fast, removing dirt and grime. It's designed to make your guitar look its best with minimal effort. It leaves behind a micro-thin layer. This layer helps protect the finish and resist stains, keeping it looking newer for longer. Unlike some cleaners, this one won't build up over time. You can use it regularly without worrying about residue. It's perfect for your daily guitar care routine. Keep your instrument clean and protected with this easy-to-use cleaner. What we like. This cleaner is designed for quick and effective cleaning, restoring your guitar's finish. If you like a product that provides a micro-thin, stain-resistant layer for daily use, you should consider this. What people say. Works great on all of my guitars. It's a fantastic value and quickly removes all fingerprints and oils, sweat of them, and leaves a perfect shine. It cleans the areas, and once it dries, it shines and shines. It does a good job of removing grime, fingerprints, etc., without building up on the surface. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.